Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an 8.5 by 11 inch design in Canva, step by step. This is the standard paper size used for school, projects, flyers, business documents, and basically any professional print design. Whether you're a student, designer, or small business owner, by the end of this video, you'll know how to create the perfect 8.5 by 11 template in Canva, ready for printing without any sizing errors. So let's jump right in. First, open Canva in your browser by going to canva.com. If you already have an account, log in. If not, you can sign up for free in just a few seconds. It's super easy. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Custom Size. Click on that. This is where you'll set your exact document dimensions. By default, Canva usually measures designs in pixels, px, but since we're creating a printable 8.5 by 11 document, we need to switch the unit to inches. To do this, click on the unit drop-down menu next to the width and height boxes and select in for inches. This step is super important because if you leave it in pixels, your design won't print at the correct size and the layout could look stretched or cropped. Now, let's enter our dimensions. In the width box, type 8.5, and in the height box, type 11. This represents a standard letter size page, which is widely used for US print documents. Double check your numbers to make sure they're accurate, because even a small mistake can throw off your print layout later. And that's it. You've just learned how to create an 8.5 by 11 inch design in Canva. Quick, simple, and perfectly accurate for print. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next Canva or design tutorial. Drop a comment below if you'd like to see more Canva size or print setup guides. I love hearing your suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.